Hi everyone, I'm Antonio with Wounded Warrior Project. Today I have Jade with me. Jade's going to be performing the hinge. She's going to start with her feet flat on the ground, knees slightly bent. Jade's going to push her hips back, keeping her back nice and flat, eyes looking straight in front of her, going down towards the ground. Jade should feel a nice stretch in her hamstrings as she's going down. As she comes up, squeezing her glutes, pushing her hips forward. Jade's going to perform 5 more. You can join her. Thank you for watching this video on the hinge. Stay tuned for more videos.